fuck YB. But that's what I'm saying. Being around this nigga, you can't listen to no fucking body. My D, am I lying? Being around this nigga, you cannot listen to nobody because he hates everybody because they richer than him. And they doing better than him in life. You can't listen. Imagine driving to California, a 24-hour drive, no Drake. No Drake? Damn. Bitch. You can't listen to Drake. You can't listen to Youngboy. You can't listen to Lil Baby. You can't listen to Future. We in this bitch straight listening to motherfucking bullshit. We can't listen to nothing. Because this nigga is a hater. He hate on everybody. He be acting like he cool with OG3. He's not cool with OG3. He just be doing that shit so he could get around Youngboy to use Youngboy clout. But she'll never be around Youngboy. You will never even be in the same room as Youngboy. Let's talk about it. Fuck. What the fuck?